Alright. Back in the hands of a trained professional here. Recording and everything, eh? Go down here and hit this little lip, eh? Yeah, it's gonna be nice! Woo! There's my cheese! There's a little jump! Oh shit! Yeah, baby! Almost lost my hat! Well, let's go right in between here, eh? Alright. That's some good action footage. Oh shit! Right! Oh, that was close. I almost lost my cap. That'd be no good, eh? Alright, we're heading this direction. Where's the Craig Wardo at? There he is. Alright. Need a little speed action going here. Got some fat air back here, eh? Yeah! Snow's a little slick out there. Hey. Let's just check some cool shit out. Right! Here I am. I'm riding down the slope here. Doing a little documentary. Here's somebody. Hi.
Hi there.
Alright. Cruising down this Craig. This guy getting that cut me off. Head up this lift right here. Put this baby back on my hand. Come in through here. Alright. What's up there, Craig Wardo?
Not much, Jim. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah. Big ass view. Woo.
Did you catch some good air on that roller?
Yeah, I wrecked.
Did you?
Yeah, I went down.
Sweet.
Landed on my back, we're doing 180 and then about hit this girl.
Alright. I about lost my hat on it.
Whoa.
You know these guys working here?
Yeah.
Do ya?
Yeah.
They're race car drivers?
Hello. Oh,
Hey, hey, hey!
hey. Back it up.
Holy shit.
This guy. Come on out, boys. Keep little toes on the line.
Call me Hollywood, eh?
Hello.
Alright.
I used to work in Winter Park.
No shit?
Yeah, shit.
I've been there.
Hey, Josh.
Lots of shit. Later, Josh.
All kinds of shit, dude. That's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about.
That and check my ass out.
Where is it?
Lots of snow coming out of it.
There's a lot of snow coming out of there, Craig. What the hell are you putting snow in your ass for?